Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where space is eaten. Run DFH and note the most full file system so you focus work. Once identified, run dosh on candidate directories like /var, /home, and /tmp to find biggest folders. You should temporarily stop noisy services or logging, sudo systemctl stop rsyslog, so files won't grow while you clean. Make sure to keep a terminal open with root access and proceed immediately to remove obvious cache and temp files. Don't delete system files yet. Next, you perform a deep scan for large files and archives. Use Find to list files over 100 M, then inspect before deleting. Once done, clear package caches with apt-get clean or yum clean, all to reclaim tens or hundreds of MBs quickly. Then address logs, remove rotated GZ logs you no longer need, and use journoctl vacuum size equals 500 M to trim systemd journal. Make sure to verify each file's purpose before removal, and once deleted, rerun DFH to see progress. Finally, you free space held by deleted files. Run elseoff grep deleted to find processes holding nodes, then restart or kill those processes to release space. Once done, verify results with DFH and repeat dosh on folders you trimmed to confirm reclaimed space. If disk still appears full, check node usage with DFI. Exhausted nodes can block new files even with free bytes. If that's the case, delete many small files or archive directories to another disk and make sure services resume normally.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.